So some people come to me just knowing they need advertising, yet they don't necessarily know if Facebook ads or Google ads is better. In this video, I'm going to break down which one is going to give you the better ROI. One, Google Ads is older, it's a lot more tried and tested. It's basically for search intent based businesses. Especially one example I can think of is lawyers, plumbers, locksmiths, anyone where there's an event that's happening that's causing people to search. Locksmith near me, carpet cleaning near me, anything like that. Google Ads is going to be very, very high intent for those kinds of businesses. If you have like an online business, Google Ads still may work for you if you have certain problems or certain issues that your customers search for. I would still say like content marketing and SEO is your better play there, but that still gives you another channel to invest in if you start bidding on Google Ads keywords. Other than that, Google Ads, it's a pretty basic platform, and if you optimize it, chances are it's not going to get worse over time. It's not going to improve unless you're actively working on it, but it's not going to get any better. Whereas in Facebook ads world, okay, one, literally everyone's on Facebook, and Facebook is better when people don't know that a solution exists. So they might be aware of the problem, or they might be unaware of the problem. If they're either of those two things, Facebook ads is good to get in front of your market. That's called interruption marketing. That means that you have a chance to educate people who are not even searching for it. Facebook also has amazing remarketing strategies. That means great ability to take an action on your website, like someone who's looked at a pricing page, someone who's looked at an opt-in, a blog post, and then remarket to them, meaning that you can show an ad based off of their behavior. Even if you're an e-com shop, you can use that to target people who've purchased from you and offer cross-sells. Your purchasers are going to be the number one way to get more money out of your brand. And so that's where Facebook ads really, really shines. Unlike Google though, it is not a set it and forget it. You can't even just set it and expect it to not go to shit. Basically, you have to constantly update it. There's a lot of creative direction behind it. You have to make the copy, the images, the video, the targeting research, all that good stuff. And it's not just like based on keywords. It's based off of how well you understand your audience. So that's not going to be a great channel if you don't have a lot of resources to put to. Frankly, I think it's a full-time job, and that it's unreasonable for any sort of solopreneur, owner-operator to operate themselves. Hell, I think even if you have a marketing manager who is involved and responsible for your overall marketing, it may be difficult for them to even manage Facebook ads full time. It also takes a lot of different skill sets, like the same person who is coming up with the creative, the images, the video, the copy, that takes a different kind of brain, a different kind of thinking than if you are looking at the data. That's all like analytical, that's all being data driven and looking at the numbers and looking at trends and things like that. So it's very difficult to find one person who can fulfill all of those roles. And if someone claims they can, I would be very, very skeptical. That is the difference between Facebook and Google Ads. If you have any questions about either one of those channels, please drop it into the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them as needed. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.